with how to create a profile on Shalyam as a student for students who want to register for a course or for applying any job at the company. Okay. So first of all, you will have to click here on the sign up button as usual, and then for these students, you have to see here at the individual registrations. Okay, and here you have to select a user type as student. Okay, but before that, you also need to fill this form. I will fill it. Also, your password will be required and the username. Okay, so I will suggest that everyone should have their username same as their email address, or you can select a random one. Okay. Please also be noted that only underscore is allowed here, not any special character. So we will be clicking here for the registration, and you can see that we have successfully registered. Registration was been successful, and we have to verify our email address. Okay. So to verify the email address, we have to get back to your email provider. In my case, is Gmail, and you have to verify your email address like this. You can click here on verify email address, or you can also click on this link given below. Let's click here. Once the email will be verified, you will see this screen. Okay, so you can go back to the login screen, or you can click here to login. Both are the same. uh, you will be prompted here. So we will put all the credentials here, and click login. So you will be prompted on your LMS dashboard, which is something like this. Okay, you can see it on the screen. And congratulations, you have your own Shalyam account. Okay, thank you so much for watching.